Celebrate, baby!
He and Hocevar got together. 7th career win. And he's the 7th driver to win this season. 2 wins here at Watkins Glen in 3 starts.
First go around before you go back to start finish line, please.
Seven Cup wins, the most by a driver not born in the United States in NASCAR Cup racing.
Well, he started Cup racing upside down on these road courses, and just you can see all the data and everything that he does, but you can't duplicate it. And he's just one of the world's best road racers, and that's the end of the story.
Well, let's take a look at today's big move, sponsored by Pods. We followed him all the way back to the top after putting on fresh tires at lap 76. Pod's big move is Shane Van Gisbergen going past Ty Gibbs to take the lead for the final time today. He led 4 times for 75 laps. Ty Gibbs led 17, Michael McDowell 5, and Ross Chastain 3.
Well, Shane's got a great celebration. We get to see him kick that football into the stands today.
He kicked the butts.
He did kick the butts.
Football to the stands, but he darn sure kicked their butts on this racetrack.
I know we showed the odds at the beginning of the day, and he came in this race as what, minus $1 million, or something like. Might as well have been.
It'll be worse next time.
I'm afraid so.
Yeah, it was so bad that they gave you the rest of the field. Clint took the whole field. I took him. How'd that work out for
I was good.
Michael McDowell, a strong second place finish, 7 seconds back. Ty Gibbs held on for 3rd. Chase Briscoe 4th and Tyler Reddick 5th, so 3, 4, 5 for Toyota. Then the RCR cars, Austin Dillon and Kyle Busch, bracketed A.J. Allmendinger, who ended up 7th. And Kyle Busch may have run out of gas. He gets a push on his cool-off lap back to the pits. Austin Cindric and John Hunter Nemechek round out the top 10.
Turn them out. Right up there.
Gonna need some tires, boys.
What a clinic. Folks, you've just seen one of the greatest performances in the history of road racing in NASCAR.
Again.
He's captured the hearts of these American fans. The New Zealander, birthday boy this weekend. Light the candles. What a nice present this checkered flag will be for Shane Van Gisbergen. I see Jamie Little down in the midst of that celebration. Jamie?
He gets his helmet off. High fives. What a day for this entire team. There's this pit crew that talked about the job that they did today. They executed everything to. Shane Van Gisbergen. There's the rugby ball. Getting it ready, Shane. He's gonna sign that and kick it to the fans. Here it goes. And the kids got it in the front. Shane, you had to come in and pit. You blended in about 26th with 24 laps to go. You're You absolutely put on a clinic. How did you do it, especially this time in a number that means so much to you, your first time winning here in the 97?
Yeah, you're right. Unbelievable to win with 97. Yeah, Super Foal Chevy was great. Thank you to Trackhouse. We weren't very good in practice, and then qualifying was amazing. Good tweaks, and then today, so what a race car. And then Stephen made great calls. I wasn't sure how it was going to work, and then to run them down like that, very, very special to do 2 in a row.
There's Stephen right there, his crew chief. You know, you've been working on your racecraft in NASCAR, learning these ovals. That's what we primarily do. But when you come here and you get to run on road courses, how much fun is it to show everybody here what you're capable of? This is your wheelhouse.
Oh, for sure, but it's not easy. Everyone's really good. There was a lot of pressure there, and I think McDowell was good, Connor was good, Tyler Reddick. There were some really good guys and a lot of pressure, so just stoked for these guys, you know, to execute every facet of our game, and speechless. It's so cool.
Nice birthday present. Congratulations. Shane Van Gisbergen wins at Watkins Glen.
He came from 29.2 seconds back in 18 laps. Look at that.
That's pretty amazing. I mean, you look, 26th position right there. And he won by 7.5 seconds. He just absolutely put on a clinic. And I think that his ability to be able to pass, I know he had better tires, but being so efficient with the passes and being able to make those so efficiently just puts him in a great spot. See the whole field right here pretty much, except for he and Reddick decided to pit, and we thought he was in big trouble at that point to be able to put all this together. Didn't know if he had enough time left to do exactly what he did, but he did it, and it wasn't even close, Glenn.
Well, I think it was a combination of the job that he can do behind the wheel. When he took off, right, he really showed his strength and how fast he was on the old tires. He got up through the field, and the fact that they had to save and come back to him, it just put him way out front. Not even close. There was only one driver who could race anywhere near Van Gisbergen today, and Regan is with him.
Well, that's right, Mike. Michael McDowell had to make up a similar gap at the end of the race there to get yourself all the way back up to second place. Up and down day, had some strategy stuff going on, a little bit of everything. It's been a rough stretch for this number 71 team. How good does this result feel?
Yeah, Regan, I mean, it's great. It's great to get this Go Bowling Chevrolet in the top 5. You know, there was moments where I thought, maybe we can hang with SVG, and it felt like he was just pacing himself off me. He'd take back off. But, you know, in that second stage there, we got a little bit off strategy, and then we recovered well, which Travis did a great job of getting the track position when we needed it. Just not quite enough to run him down. Like I said, it's just tough, man. Second is awesome. It's great to get momentum back on our side. We needed it after a rough, few weeks, but we wanted to get the victory lane. But proud of Spire, proud of my guys. They worked really hard. Happy Mother's Day to my wife and all the mothers out there. Great day. We'll build on it and hopefully get ready for Charlotte 600. And I would have liked to make that All-Star race too. That would have been another plus to win.
As you were getting